Today on 1 Hour Photo, we are with the very sought after Leica Q2. 1 Hour Photo is my personal excuse to get out there into the world and create images that would not have existed otherwise. An excuse for me to open the door and to go out into the world. It is currently 8 o'clock, which means we have until 9 o'clock to create something that would not have existed. I encourage you to do the same. Pick a camera, any camera, get out there into the world, spend an hour taking photos in a location or a style that you normally wouldn't.
Yeah. Subscribe to your YouTube. Right?
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
Addy.
Addy?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, no,
Jumping on the solo, fresh like a coconut, dancing like a go-go. I don't even give a what. Tell me all about it, babe, I'm all about it. 1, 2, 3, rising by the minute, yeah, I wanna be a part of it all. I wanna get back to the place I'm at. I don't even give a what. 1, 2, 3, rising by the minute, yeah, I wanna be a part of it all. I wanna get back to the place I'm at. I don't even give a what.
Every drop of water, every drop of rain, every drop of blood coursing through my thirsty veins filled me up with fervor, filled me up with hope, with the childish notion that you'd be coming home. I heard your boots on gravel, winding down the fence. In that misty morning fog, could it be? Could it be? Could it be? Greet you, my palms pressed to the sky, grinning like a bobcat, singing la-di-da-di-di. An axe upon your shoulders, yield of land behind, in a woven basket that mother made with vines. Little bits of terror, little bits of joy, all my imagination the forest could employ.